Welcome to Michael Pepper Tech. Apple has done today what we didn't expect them to do, and they have announced their self-service repair program. Basically how it works is you sign into the portal, you select the device that you want to repair, starting off with the iPhone 12 and 13 series, M1 MacBooks, and other devices coming down the road. You select what parts you need, batteries, screen, whatever you're repairing, and the tools you need. Then it goes through and gives you kind of a guide. You say, okay, I'm comfortable with this. You pay for the parts, they send them to you. And then you send the old parts in and they will be doing some sort of refund thing. Of course, we kind of have to see how this works, Is it going to be a partial refund up to certain amounts? How this is all going to work once it's fully released. But that's kind of how it works. So here are my thoughts about this. First off, really cool for those of us who are comfortable enough doing this ourselves. Concern with that will be the people that think that they're qualified enough to do this, damage their device, and then blame Apple, or are mad that they damaged it, and they either have to now bring it to Apple to have Apple repair it. Maybe it's not repairable or worth repairing anymore at the cost because you damaged it so much, and you probably should have just brought it to them to begin with. So then there'll be the second type of people that kind of will learn from this and see, okay, I was going to repair my device, but now that I see the guides, now that I see the tools that are required, the time, the cost of the parts versus the cost of Apple doing it, and realize that I'm trying to repair, $1,000 plus device, spending the extra little bit of money to have them do it, to know that it's guaranteed protected. If they damage it, then it's on them. And then you'll have the type of people who are never going to do this to begin with, and this really changes nothing for. So be curious to see whether this changes any of this at all, considering that I feel like the reason why there are a lot of people who choose to be Apple customers is because you can take it to the store, because they do have the Apple Care, which has been great, and Apple Care Plus, which, provides that extra level of coverage, and the fact that you can easily bring it to them, and as long as it's something that can be repaired in store, they can do that easily. And if it can't be, a lot of times in situations, I've heard they've given people a loaner device to use while theirs is being repaired. So while it's great, I have these concerns, I have these thoughts, I have these questions. I wonder their reasoning behind it. And my thoughts are they want to provide this for those who are going to take advantage of it. And they also now can use this as an opportunity to educate people who think that it's easy, or who thought that they wanted this and come to find out now maybe they don't. And it's also an opportunity for people to buy up devices, repair them and resell them, and know that maybe they can get a little bit more because they can say, well, I got Apple official parts. I went through their online guide. I used their tools. A little bit better guarantee over trying to buy tools and use tools through other companies, and maybe buy third-party parts and displays to save money, or trying to get them through companies and places that might have just be buying iPhones and tearing the parts out of them that work and reselling them. This is a legitimate way of doing things. It's awesome for the people who are going to do it and comfortable with it. And it's a great opportunity for people to kind of learn about their device. Just be forewarned, just be careful, and keep in mind, if you break it, it's on you. So those are my thoughts. Let me know some of your thoughts on this whole right to repair kind of new found program that Apple has decided to go with. Do you think it's a good thing? The pros and cons. Will you take advantage of it? And of course, as always, please hit the thumbs up button, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already for more thoughts and discussions and reviews. And I'll see y'all in the next one.